Yo, welcome back guys to a new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you install Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text. And I recommend these three apps because it's really easy when you're programming. So let's jump right into the tutorial. The first you're gonna do is you go in to Google. I have Google Chrome, and you search for Visual Studio like this. Then you go all the way down to Visual Studio, Microsoft, and now you're in here. You're gonna press download Visual Studio, and here it's gonna download like this. Now you press, and it's automatically gonna open and download itself. Because I already have Visual Studio, I don't need to install it, but you're gonna install it in this way. Now when you're here, you need to press install or whatever it is, but I already have it installed, and I think it's gonna to look something like this. Just wait a little. I think it's gonna look like this when you're here, and I have choose this, and that one. But maybe you're gonna use these gaming if you want to create a game or anything, or programming a game, but I have used these ones. So now we are done with Visual Studio 2019. Now we jump into how we download Visual Studio Code. So that you're gonna do is you go in to Google or Chrome, you search for Visual Studio Code like this. Then you go in here. Now you go down until you see these, codevisualstudio.com. Now you go in right there, you press download, and download for Windows, or if you have Linux you download this, or if you have Apple or Mac you download this. But I recommend to download this for Windows if you have a window like I have. Now it's gonna install itself, so I came back really soon when it's done. So you open it, and you're gonna go in here. You press English if you want English, and I already have it, but you know it's gonna be in here. You go to accept agreements if you have read all this, then next. Here you're gonna press create a desktop icon if you want it to be here, and add to path. I have do that, so click next and then install, and it's gonna be in install. So now it's just Sublime Text. So you go in here, go into Google, yeah, like this. You search for Sublime Text 3. Then Sublime Text is gonna be here. You press here. You're gonna go to download. Then you go to Windows 64-bit if you have Windows, and it's gonna install itself. So then you press here, and it's gonna open. I have to add to Explorer context menu because I like that, and then it's just press install. So that how you install all these three apps, and I recommend this really much because you can learn really much from it, and it's super easy to use. So I'm gonna do a link below to all these three websites. So I hope you like this. If you want any other coding videos or programming tutorials, just comment that below and please subscribe. So see you next video. Bye.